Are you a first home buyer in the market overwhelmed with the number of information that's out there regarding benefits, schemes, and grants available to you? Stick around and in the next 5 minutes, I'll explain every first home buyer benefit out there for you. The first home buyer guarantee scheme. With a 5% deposit, you can buy a property up to $1 million in Queensland in a metro area or up to $700,000 in a regional area. There's no income limit, there's no placement or reservation scheme limit. You've just got to be a first home buyer and move in within 6 months. The family home guarantee scheme. You don't even need to be a first home buyer for this one. You've just got to be a single parent with at least one dependent. You can get into the market again, $1 million in a metro Queensland location, $700,000 in a regional location. You only need 2% deposit for this one. The first home owner grant. This is the one in Queensland where you're getting up to $30,000 if you're buying a brand new home or you're buying land and building, all for under $750,000. The first home buyer super saver scheme. This is a pretty cool one. This is one where you can put in up to $15,000 extra of your income every single year into your super above your standard contributions, and you can take out up to $50,000 of that extra contribution to help buy your first home. So if you're buying as a couple, that could be up to 100 grand that you guys could access from your extra super contributions to be able to buy your first home. Plus, of course, a lot of tax benefits there too. First home buyer stamp duty concession. There's no stamp duty applicable for you as a first home buyer if you're buying a property up to $700,000 in Queensland, and there is a small discount between $700,000 and $800,000. That's if you're buying a established home. Now, if you're buying a brand new home or you're building a brand new home, there's actually no limit on that price that you can get a stamp duty concession for. So you could be buying a brand new home as a first home buyer for $10 million and there's $0 of stamp duty. Pretty cool. The Help to Buy and the Queensland specific Boost to Buy scheme. This is one that's pretty unique. You're only putting in 2% deposit, but the government is actually fronting the rest of the deposit for you, up to potentially 38%. They're taking equity in your property and they're a part owner of that property until you sell down the line or you pay them out of your property. A few key things with this one. Brokers can't write this. There are only certain banks that are participating in this scheme, and there is a limit on the number of placements that are available, usually about 10,000 for the nationwide one. So there you have it. That's all of the first home buyer benefits and schemes available for you, Queensland specific. If you do want to click over here and then over here, that's where you'll see each of these schemes in depth. This is just a high level overview. We're going to go in depth on every single one of these schemes for you.